The Toyota GR Yaris has long been praised for its rally-inspired performance, compact size, and exhilarating driving experience. But even with its impressive pedigree, tuners continue to push the limits of this hot hatch, enhancing its aggressive appearance and performance capabilities. One such enhancement comes from Result Japan, who have taken the GR Yaris to an entirely new level with their wild Widebody kit. At first glance, the Result Japan GR Yaris looks almost otherworldly, with design elements that seem to jump straight off a digital render. This isn't some fantasy concept, though. It's a real-life modification that will make even the most hardcore car enthusiasts do a double take. The most noticeable feature of this build is the ultra-wide fenders, which completely transform the Yaris' appearance. These aren't just small flares, they extend the front of the car by a whopping 90 mm and the rear by an even more massive 130 mm, giving the hot hatch an aggressive, almost supercar-like stance. The transformation doesn't stop there. Along with the widebody fenders, Result Japan has added a series of other enhancements that make this GR Yaris look even more fierce. A large front splitter, vented hood, and bold side skirts match the increased width of the car, giving it a more menacing road presence. From the rear, the modifications are even more dramatic. A half-spoiler is connected to a striking GT-style wing, evoking the feel of a time attack racer that's ready to dominate the track. The rear bumper is redesigned to include additional cooling intakes, along with a new diffuser that sports aerodynamic extensions for improved airflow. All these upgrades not only improve the car's looks but also its performance potential. For a truly unique touch, the demo vehicle is fitted with a custom exhaust system that features a set of quad tailpipes with a burnished finish. The sound produced by the exhaust setup is as loud and aggressive as the car's appearance, and while the additional pipes protruding from the rear bumper might not serve any functional purpose, they certainly add to the car's head-turning factor. One of the most exciting moments for the car community came when Result Japan unveiled this aggressive GR Yaris build at the Tokyo Auto Salon. It shared the spotlight with Toyota Gazoo Racing's own mid-engine GR Yaris prototype, which sparked some interesting questions. Could this wild widebody kit fit on the prototype? Given the extra aerodynamics, wider track, and additional cooling features, it seems possible that a mid-engine hyperhatch could benefit from these enhancements as well. For those interested in turning their GR Yaris into this over-the-top performance machine, Result Japan is currently offering the widebody kit for sale. The kit will be available for order starting now, with shipments expected to begin between March and April of 2025. The basic widebody kit is priced at 594,000 yen, $3,800, with optional extras like a vented hood, eyelids, and the GT-style rear wing available for additional costs. Keep in mind that the price for the wheels and exhaust system is not disclosed, and installation of the kit is strongly recommended to be handled by professionals. While the kit was designed with the facelift GR Yaris in mind, the demo car shown was based on a 2021 pre-facelift model. This means that the widebody kit can be fitted to all versions of the GR Yaris, as long as they're paired with the facelift front bumper. For those not looking to go all out, Result Japan also offers a more understated version of the kit, which features less aggressive modifications like a less pronounced rear wing and no widebody fenders.